Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Keychron K3 Pro low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard, a sleek and versatile keyboard designed for users who want a balance of portability, performance, and a clean typing experience across multiple devices. This keyboard is built for people who want flexibility in their setup. Whether you're working, typing for long hours, or switching between devices like a laptop, tablet, or desktop, the Keychron K3 Pro positions itself as a reliable, all-in-one solution that fits into both productivity and casual use. If you want to grab this keyboard for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Keychron K3 Pro immediately stands out with its slim and lightweight design. The low-profile build gives it a modern and minimal look that fits perfectly into clean desk setups or on-the-go environments. It's noticeably thinner than traditional mechanical keyboards, which makes it easier to carry and more comfortable for users who prefer a lower typing height. Despite its slim form factor, the build quality still feels solid. The frame is sturdy, and nothing feels cheap or fragile. It maintains a premium feel while keeping the design simple and practical. Once you start using it, the low-profile mechanical switches become one of the biggest highlights. The keys feel responsive and smooth, with a shorter travel distance that allows for quicker typing. This creates a typing experience that feels fast and efficient, especially for users who type frequently throughout the day. At the same time, the feedback still feels satisfying, giving you that mechanical feel without the bulk of a full-sized keyboard. One of the standout features here is its wireless connectivity. The Keychron K3 Pro supports multiple connection modes, allowing you to switch between devices easily. This is especially useful if you're working across different systems, like a laptop and a phone or tablet. Switching between them feels seamless, and it adds a lot of convenience to your daily workflow. Battery life is designed to support long usage sessions, so you don't have to constantly worry about recharging. It fits naturally into your routine without becoming something you have to manage all the time. Another strong point is its compatibility. The keyboard works well across different operating systems, making it a flexible choice for users who don't want to be limited to a single platform. Whether you're using it for work or personal use, it adapts easily to your setup. Customization is also part of the experience. The keyboard supports programmable keys, allowing you to adjust functions and tailor it to your workflow. This gives you more control over how you use the keyboard, whether you're optimizing for productivity or general use. RGB lighting is included and adds a clean visual touch. The lighting is subtle and evenly distributed, allowing you to personalize your setup without it feeling too flashy. You can keep it minimal or adjust it to match your environment. Comfort is one of the biggest advantages of this keyboard. The low-profile design reduces strain on your wrists, especially during long typing sessions. It feels natural to use, and the overall layout helps maintain a smooth and consistent typing experience throughout the day. While it's not specifically designed as a gaming keyboard, it still performs well for casual gaming. The responsiveness and key feel are good enough for most use cases, making it a versatile option beyond just productivity. Durability also feels reliable. The materials and overall construction give you confidence that it can handle daily use without wearing down quickly. Over time, that consistency becomes just as important as performance. When it comes to value, the Keychron K3 Pro sits in a strong position. It offers a combination of portability, wireless convenience, and mechanical performance in one package. It's not trying to compete with high-end gaming keyboards. Instead, it focuses on delivering a balanced experience that works well for a wide range of users. For people who want a keyboard that can move with them, adapt to different devices, and still provide a satisfying typing experience, this makes a lot of sense. Over time, what really matters is how comfortable and reliable your keyboard feels during everyday use. Smooth typing, easy connectivity, and consistent performance tend to make a bigger difference than features you rarely use. The Keychron K3 Pro focuses on delivering that practical and dependable experience every time you use it. Overall, the Keychron K3 Pro low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard is a sleek and well-rounded keyboard that brings together portability, flexibility, and a comfortable typing experience into one complete package. If you're looking for a keyboard that fits both work and everyday use while keeping your setup clean and minimal, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.